Okay guys, how do you troubleshoot your different applications issue in Windows 11? So the new way of troubleshooting. So go to the search and you're going to type troubleshoot, Trouble. You can see troubleshoot settings. You'll come up with this Windows where it can says as other troubleshooter. Now let's say I want to troubleshoot my audio problems. Click on run. Again it will come up with this Windows. It will search for some articles. Now it's gonna show you, do you have any consent to run automated diagnostic to solve the audio problems. So automatically it will diagnose your problem and fix your issues. So here you're gonna click on yes, and now you can see it is searching for the issue. Please wait, I run the diagnostic to your device to find the problems. It will automatically find the problems and fix it. So you have to wait for a while. Now it can ask me whether I heard a beep sound. Yes, I did hear the beep sounds. No, I could not see. This system could not find the issue. Since the beep sound has come up, now there is no any audio problems. May I scan again to find the problems? If you want to scan it again, it will click on yes to scan it again, or click on no if the problem is already fixed. So this is the easy way how you're going to troubleshoot your problems in the latest version of Windows 11. Click on continue. So again it is executing. Sorry, I told you in the beginning it's exhausting. So it's not exhausting, it's executing. It's executing the manual diagnostic scans. So after executing the manually diagnostic scan, so after executions, we are sorry we could not solve the problems. Now what you have two different options. Either you provide some feedback or you can directly talk to the agent. We'll be able to talk to the agent after providing the feedback. So give the feedback and then you can talk to the agent. So all this is the newest way of solving your audio problems or any other problems, troubleshooting any other problem, let's say problem with the printer, networks or whatever, in newest version of Windows 11. So if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next tutorial with another greatest stuff. Have a good day. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family.